Okay, is that, I mean, does that make sense, Sudhanshu?
Yes, sir. I get it.
Okay, you see this part is cut. Okay, so what I'm saying is this part is cut. So maybe I would like to have a little more of this part. Okay.
Sure. I do
This
that.
is okay. This is very interesting. You see, every corner of the image is interesting. Okay, so I really like this picture. You see, there is one person here. There's one person here. There's one person here. So only thing to me, it looks little over sharpened. I don't know. Looks little over sharpened, but otherwise looks really good. And you see, this is a very good way of engaging. You see the way you have done. This is a very good way of engaging. You have put two pictures here, and you are asking your audience which one tells you a story better. Okay, so yeah, I like this. This is a very good way of engaging with your people. Okay. And maybe you can do a series of pictures as well. If you, I mean, one picture does not, suffice. Maybe you can have a series of pictures. Okay. So you have black and white and the color version. Okay. Nice. Okay. This is good. So this is a good way of engaging. Okay. But you see, your colors a little. I think that it is a little oversaturated. You see the lady's face is also a little reddish. Okay, so you have to use the skin tone should be, very accurate. Okay, the skin tone should be very accurate. So this looks little reddish to me. So that is something which you should avoid. Okay. Okay, this is very good. So I like, I mean, this kind of pictures definitely look better in black and white. But yeah, you can try to darken some elements here. You see this water tank here. And I would always look for a moment where there is minimal overlapping. You see, there is one person coming here. Maybe I'll just wait for a moment if that is possible. So, okay, so you have these two pictures, color and in black and white. Okay, again, I would do a crop here. Okay, I will just show you how I will do a crop. So maybe I'll just crop it like this. Okay, avoiding this bottom area because this bottom area is not adding any value till the place I'm getting a reflection. I'm going to crop it here. Okay, maybe just like this. So this will definitely make a little better picture because there's nothing much here in this. Okay. All right, great. So great, good. So I'm now going to move to the second person. I hope it was helpful, Gansu. Just stay back. You can see other people's pictures. Okay, so guys, don't just see your pictures. You can learn a lot from other people's pictures as well. Okay. So now I'm going to go through. Okay, Niloy, are you here?
Can I say something?
Okay.
Yeah, I just think thanks. I get the point. Mostly
okay.
The framing, which your feedback is that the framing is not right.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Probably darkening some areas which are, do not have value.
Yeah, right. Okay, Niloy, are you here? I think I saw you somewhere. Oh, you're here. Good. Okay, you sent some pictures by. Okay, so shall I see from your Instagram ID or shall I see this Google Drive location?
If we can look at the Google Drive first.
Okay. You're able to see my screen, right? Did you name them? Okay. We have some topics. Fine. Okay. This is very interesting. You see a very good play of light and shadows, and you see this is an old building, and the old building and play of light and shadows is a very beautiful combination. And then when you have people on top of it, it is really good. Okay, so I like the way you're framed. You are able to, yeah, and then this person is really adding some value. Okay, so this is a lovely picture. Very nice. Okay, so you see, you need not include the faces all the time. And you see, I can see only one eye, and that one eye really makes this picture very, very interesting. So you see that hand, the way this guy is stretching the hand, and this other guys, you can see the eye here. So you might have done something in post processing to bring out the details of the eye. Did you, Niloy?
Yeah, I mainly try to accentuate the
Yeah,
hands.
very good. Yeah. So you see these things you have to do in post processing. I mean, I think you have done something to the eye as well, so that the eye really pops out, which is very good. I mean, I like it. I mean, this is where you have to tell the story that you want to. So with the power of your editing, so you can darken some areas and you can highlight some areas so that you can still increase the texture of this part, the hand, the palm you can see very well. So this will look much better when you bring out little more texture of this the palm. You can see the lines on the palm as well. So very good. Okay, then you have, okay, this is again very interesting. So you have this as a frame, and then you have this person walking here, working here. Very nice. Very nice environmental portrait. So guys, there's a lot to learn from this picture. You see, there's a lot of times we go really close and try to take pictures of just the faces. Now the face will not tell me anything about what the person does, what is his environment. And this picture really tells me a story. It shows me that whole environment very well. So I would suggest people to take pictures like this, which tell stories. And if you are just taking portraits, a lot of people love to use 50 millimeter, but this has probably been shot with something like, on the wider side, something like 18 or 24. So this will give you a very nice perspective. So very well done, This is very nice picture. I think we have submitted the same picture twice. Okay, only one thing, if so this is also good, but maybe if he's working, maybe I would like to have one more picture where he is working. So here it looks like he's thinking about something. Okay, and okay, this is also very nice. You have used a wide angle. So generally, I don't like to shoot with super wide situations like this, but I think this has done justice to the picture. So you can see inside the auto really well, and these two people here. So very nice. Okay, great. Niloy, well done. Very nice pictures. And I like that you have given all these. Okay, so this EXIF information and all, if you give that, that will make it really good. Okay, so Dhawal, are you here? Okay, thank you, Niloy. I'm just going to move to the next one. So we are done with Sudhanshu, Niloy. Dhawal, are you here? Okay, so I'm going to move to Naveen, are you here? Okay. So, okay, so Vamsi, Mir, are you here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think you forgot Raj.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Raj, Raj, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, you're here. Okay, so you want me to see your Instagram profile, or do you want me to see from the Google Drive?
I think Google Drive would be better.
Okay, I will just see once your Instagram, because this is public. You have sent it to.
All right, sure.
Okay, and maybe I can give you some feedback so that it gets better. Okay.
I just recently started posting on Instagram. So.
Okay, so I will give you some tips. I just gave some tips to Sudhanshu, and I'll give.
Yeah.
Please
Sure.
Don't. I'm not making fun of you. I'm just telling for your betterment. See my intention. I am going to talk about a lot of bad things about you or your pictures, and that the intention is to help you improve. Okay.
Yeah, definitely,
okay?
yes.
All right. So one thing, Raj, these are all pictures. Your pictures, right? All your pictures. You are there in the picture, right? All these pictures.
Yes.
So you can have a separate profile where you can see. I mean, if you are really want to make yourself as a want to show yourself as a serious photographer, maybe
yes.
You can have
start another page. Yes, I actually have.
Okay. Yeah. So just have one page where you post only your pictures. Okay. Because
yes.
If I am looking up to you, you have, okay, this is a very lovely picture that you have. Okay, very lovely picture. This is also very nice that you got. But okay, this is also very good. Your first three pictures are very good, and I'm expecting more. And then what I see later is just your selfies, which below my expectation. So unless you are somebody like Katrina Kaif, I would probably not your picture.
Okay. Yes.
So okay, right. So maybe you can create one more profile.
Definitely, yeah. I have that in mind, so I'm give that.
Very good. So all right. So let me go through your Okay, these are very good pictures. Okay, very nice. So I know it takes so much of patience to take a picture like this. These kind of pictures, you see, this will be a very nice black and white. Okay, so you have a lot of these ripples here. This will really make a white.
Okay.
And maybe you just have to wait for a time when he's actually throwing the net or doing something. It will make a much better picture.
All right. Yeah. Okay.
So rather than just swaying, you just have to have a little more patience. That's it. This is very nice, and I like that you have got these two birds also in the picture. It's a very, very, very dramatic picture. So another picture of the moon, I like it with this foreground that you have here. Very nice. If you just have the flat sky and the moon, it will make a very boring picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is also very good. But here I would love to have the airplane in focus because that is the hero of the picture. You see.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see one thing that even in a movie, when you watch a movie, you see the light will be more light on the hero compared to the other people, so that you can very easily make out who is the hero and who are the other people.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
So the focus has to be here on the plane and not on anything else. Okay. So great. Good, Raj. I'm looking forward to seeing one of your pictures. Okay, and you are posting.
Yes. Yeah.
Same, I can see the same pictures you are posting. You should go out. I mean, I know now you can't go out and take pictures, but you should go out more and take pictures whenever possible. Okay.
Yes. 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 Yeah. Definitely.
So yeah. So what kind of pictures you like to take? I can see you are
Actually,
Hmm.
I have a DSLR of my own. Actually, the interesting story is that you have taught my dad photography in Hyderabad.
Okay.
His name is Bharat Bhushan Kedia from
Okay.
Lakshya Media
Okay.
Company.
Okay. Oh, yes. Yeah.
I think you remember him. I'm his son.
Yes, yeah, of course. Okay. I have done a lot of workshop in their company as well. So,
Yes.
okay.
So
Where are you located now?
I'm in Bangalore right now. I'm with my
Okay.
dad, my mom, everyone here.
Okay. Great. Very good. That's okay.
So
I'm
my
looking
main
forward to seeing.
intention is taking more of astrophotography shots. My dad told me to see your profile, and then I was just love with the profile with you when you took all those starry trails and everything. I have a dream to take that shot once in my life.
Sure. I mean, yeah, you're just very young. You can do it in one go. So you can.
Yeah.
So you just I will send you some links to I mean on my YouTube channel. My first link will tell you exactly how to do that. Okay.
All right, sure, definitely.
Great. Okay, so just make an Instagram profile and just
yes.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much. Okay, so Mir, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mir, did you send you send your pictures? Have you named them?
No, I've just picked it up from the phone, so I don't think it will have name.
So then you have to tell me which challenge for me. Okay, so
the one in the circles you see beside the green.
Okay, which
third picture from the fourth row?
Fourth row, third picture. This
exactly. Yeah, that one.
Okay. Well, looks like some utensils. What is this? Some utensils kept on.
No. This was in one of the chroma shops. They displayed Samsung Ultra S20
okay.
Plus.
That's inside
so
the
that
lens.
Okay. They had it lighted.
Very interesting.
So that one I have taken.
So you see, this is such a lovely picture, and so this picture definitely needs a caption. Okay. So because I'm not able to understand what is it, and I mean I can see a lot of these circles. So this really makes a nice picture. So sometimes you see even in very not so interesting places, you can take something which is totally out of the world, and this is a very, very good example. So very nice picture. Okay. So a lot of these circles here, which really make it look much more interesting. Okay. So is there any other picture that you have sent?
Yeah, I've
Just
sent
one?
5 pictures.
This one is yours, is it? What is this? This Tisri Aankh?
No.
Okay, for I don't know, see any more pictures. Okay, so
Yeah, not from these.
okay.
Yeah, this one, I guess, Mozam Ali, if you see the line, is 3, 4.
So this one.
Mozam Ali.
Okay. Okay. So this is okay. So maybe you can get a little closer and try to take the picture. Okay. So yeah, I see the background is a little distracting here. Okay. If you want, if your purpose is to take the leaves which are look very nice, maybe you can get little closer. So you see, if I get into details of this, you see now the picture looks. I'm able to enjoy the details of the picture. Okay. But it's gone. I mean, this is how I would like to have this picture. Okay. If you want the whole tree, I mean, for some reason, if you want the whole tree, then probably this is the best you can get. I like this angle because there is no distraction in the background. So I like it. But otherwise, generally flowers and leaves, they look really good if when you zoom in and take the picture. Okay. So next one. Okay. So this looks to like a very casual shot taken from the path. I can see a little bit of your path as well. And there's a lot of these unnecessary elements here. You see some here. Okay, so you have to do little proper framing. So and see these lines really does not have any value. But what I really like about this picture is the clouds. They're really good. But maybe a little different composition. Maybe you have taken this picture while the
driving.
Yeah. Okay.
Movement.
Yeah, so I would rather, if I see a very good composition, I would rather wait for a time when I can see a very beautiful cloud and beautiful composition. You see, the scene, if I am right there, it might look very good to me, very beautiful to me, but otherwise it might not look very appealing when I am seeing it as a picture. Okay, so very appealing. So that's the thing. Okay, so. All right, so let me go to the next one. So this is a very, very, very casual shot. So pictures take some effort. Sometimes we have to wait for, hours or years to take pictures.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the thing. You have to be a little more serious and spend some time. So you see phone pictures, especially at low light, when you are doing it with your hand, you see that you will find a lot of noise. You see a lot of grains in this picture here. Okay. So, but I like these lines here. Okay, generally I don't like to have this, like the previous picture. I told the lines a little distracting, but here I think I like these lines because otherwise this picture there is nothing much in this part of the frame. So the line really fills this space. But the bottom part I cannot see anything at all. You see this part is nothing. So I would move my camera. I would tilt my camera a little up so I can have a little bit more of the sky rather than having this area. So I think this is one thing which I'm finding in a lot of these pictures. So every inch, every small millimeter of your picture should have something interesting. I mean, it is not possible all the time, but if you can, that would be good. Okay. So here also you see, okay. So here you see the bottle is there, which is irrelevant. Okay. And this tissue thing is there, that is also irrelevant. If you are, what is the purpose of the picture? Let me ask you, Ali. Mir, right? What's your name? Mir.
Yeah, Mir.
Okay. So Mir, what is the purpose of the picture?
The food.
The food, right? So the bottle is irrelevant. I have seen a lot of Aquafina bottles. I know what is tissue paper. So I would. So do you think this picture looks better than the previous one?
Yeah, that's eliminating the side objects.
Eliminating the distractions, and I'm now able to see the details of food. Okay. So I mean, now this makes me I mean, very tempting to eat. Okay, because I can see a lot more details of what is happening. Do you agree with what I'm saying?
Yeah, truly.
Okay, so you have to. So this is one thing which is common. I am finding. So you have to get closer. Okay, so if you are not good enough, you are not close enough. Okay. So here you have this coffee, you have thumbs up, and you have this vanilla. Okay, so. Maybe I would avoid the thumbs up unless you have put it for a reason, because I think this itself is very, very interesting. Okay, but yeah,
because it's a Coke float, so thumbs up and vanilla.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So that's why I mean that's why I'm adding this thing that unless there is a reason. So yeah, so then this is good. And you have a non-distracting background, which is very good. Okay, but yeah, maybe you can place the cups little more in a more organized way rather than having it little randomly. Okay, so here you see this flower is cut and this flower is cut, and you have these three flowers, and there's a lot of unnecessary area here. So you see suddenly the picture starts looking so much better when I have it like this. Do you agree with what I'm saying?
Yeah. The framing.
Okay. Yes. So it is just about framing. You have to train your eyes to frame it. This is very nice. You have these three.
Sorry, this is not mine.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So I think that was it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Okay. Great. So good job. Okay, but yeah, you see, you have to be a little more careful about framing, and yeah. So just like this, you have to stop. Some places you just have to stop and just wait for the right composition that can be. Because even if I go to Ladakh and just turn my camera anywhere, it looks very beautiful. But you see, when it actually does not make a good picture. It's very disappointing. So even in a place like Ladakh, you go and just you can't really take a good picture unless you have a really good composition. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Great. So now moving to the next person.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Yeah, you're welcome. You stay back. You can learn more from others' pictures. Okay.
Yeah.
Just stay back. You will learn a lot from others' pictures because you have already done know what your mistakes are. Okay.
Sure.
Next. Okay, Vamsi, are you here? Vamsi, you can unmute yourself if you are here. Okay, Vamsi is not here. Amarnath, sir, are you here? Okay. Sayed, are you here?
Mr. Saura, Amarnath here.
Okay, Amar sir, let me see your picture. Okay. How are you, sir?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so this picture looks a little over-edited, you see. There's a halo. You see, when you over-edit your pictures, you will see a halo. Can you see this halo over here? You see over the edges. So you have to be a little more cautious while you are editing the picture. But otherwise, in terms of action, I really like this picture. You see, there's a very nice, beautiful river. I mean, I'm able to get a sense of place when I see this picture. There's a beautiful shallow stream flowing and these mountains. I really like this picture in terms of the composition, but you have to be a little more cautious when you are processing the picture. Otherwise, very nice.
Okay.
This is very nice. You're inside the cave, and if this person was not here, I would probably wonder what is going on, what is this. But you see, because of this person, this really makes a lot of difference. So this was taken with a phone or with a camera?
With the DSLR.
DSLR. Okay. But yeah, there's a lot of noise. I can understand it is very dark cave when you were inside. So yeah, but otherwise nice. This is a very nice picture. Okay, and I like it with this person here. Very nice. Okay, this looks like yes, sir. It is little over processed. I feel. You see, there's a lot of this. Has totally changed the feeling of the picture. Okay. Otherwise, you can see a highway, a car going, and everything is slow. So good. So pictures are good, but little over process. This is very beautiful. Okay. And I love the way you have placed the Buddha, not exactly in the center. It is little off the center, and even the processing is quite good. You have added some vignetting here. I like it like this. Okay. And very beautiful light, and this is beautiful. Very nice. You have just the sun which is setting. So this is a very close, you might have telephoto lens, and I like it like this. It's very nice. Okay. Sun setting down. You see, a lot of people ask me what is the best time to shoot sunrises and sunset. So obviously, when the sun is rising or when the sun is setting, so that is the best time for taking a picture. Very good. Very nice. So out of all these pictures, I like this one the most. This is very good, and this is very good, sir. It's very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, Syed, are you here? Said is not here. Alekhya? Alekhya is not here. Dheeraj, are you here? Okay, Rajesh. There are two Rajesh. Okay.
Rajesh Kumar.
Which one?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh.
Rajesh Kumar Das.
Okay. So you want me to open your Instagram profile?
Instagram only again.
Okay. Wait, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Just little bit slow actually.
Okay. Okay, so you have a. Okay, I'll put some pictures here. Okay, so I think. So you see, the pictures might not be very great, but you see, these are all pictures. So, I actually, honestly, I hate to see selfies. So we are all very self-focused now, but yeah, maybe you can put them for in another profile. Instagram is free; you can create as many accounts as you can. But yeah, so good. So I'll just see one by one. But yeah, good that you have posted only your pictures. Okay, yeah, it's good to sometimes post pictures like this. But okay, you have put a logo like. What is the purpose of this? Your uh, watermark here. I'm not able to hear you. You can chat. Maybe your network is not proper. So yeah, you can add a in this. So I personally don't like having this watermarks. You can add one if you want. It's your personal opinion, but try to reduce the opacity. So because this is really catching my eye. Okay. Nice. You see, there are a lot of. Oh, this is beautiful. You see, this lovely. You see how you have taken the time lapse of this whole. This very nice, beautiful. So you can see you have a lot of use of the phone, and yeah. So this is beautiful. So one thing I would suggest you here, you have not given anything. See, from this, I thought this was a very average picture. I could not even open this picture properly. But you see, when I open it, you have not written that it is a time lapse or something. So you have given all irrelevant hashtags. Hashtags are also very important. So you can avoid this. No, I mean this picture is definitely not. I mean nobody probably from BBC or this thing. Maybe you can add more hashtags which are interesting. Okay, so you can put time photography or you just look for the hashtags. Okay, so budding of a flower. So so that you have more discovery your profile. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is out of focus. Maybe you went little too close. You see, I am not able to see the details. The details are gone. Okay, this is nice. You could have done little better framing. You see your main Meena on the right hand side. Cut. Okay, maybe you can include this and avoid some area here. So always are with a camera or a phone camera.
Phone camera, sir.
Okay, good. So pictures are good. You see framing, you have to improve the framing. So I think, okay, this is nice. You have very beautiful light falling on them. Okay, but again, maybe if possible, you can get some more details. That will be better. But yeah, I love the lighting in this picture. Very, very nicely lit. Okay, yeah, this is a nice picture. The lighting is very good here. The way you have lit up the whole thing. Okay. Yeah, so this picture, you see the background is telling me that there's some zoo or something. So maybe if you can avoid, if possible, you change the background. Okay, move to a different angle and see if you can get a better picture. Okay, but yeah, nice, good picture. Okay, so great. It was nice seeing your pictures, Rajesh. Very nice. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to see Satish sir's pictures. Okay. Satish sir, are you here? You can unmute yourself if you are here. see. Okay, sir, you can unmute yourself if you want. Okay, let me. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. All right. Let me go through this picture. Okay. So here, this is a very nice picture, but you see this other temple is cut. Okay, so this other temple is cut. So sometimes, you know, we have limitations of the, you know, of the focal length. Okay, so in this case, probably I will take this picture like this. I would take this picture like this. Okay, see, immediately the picture starts looking much better. Okay, I'm just taking this area. I'm avoiding that other temple. Okay, so if possible, do the whole thing. Otherwise, just and the light of this picture is really good. You see, you have very nice light, and how the bells are, you know, shining in this in the dark background. So, and a lovely place. Okay, I love the statue. Okay, very nice. Which place is this, sir? Beautiful place. Okay, so I'm going to move to the. Okay, this is a very interesting frame. Okay, you see, you have this stairs here, and then you have people walking. So here, what I would do, if possible, I would wait for a time, and I would like to have separation between the elements. So I would like to have some separation between these two people who are walking. So, and the other thing I would like to say is this picture will make a very nice black and white. So please try making this picture into black and white. Sir. It will look really good. So, but even in color, I like it because you see this part is totally, this part is bluish. So it kind of breaks the monotony. So this picture will look good both. Very nice. Okay. So this is a perfectly framed picture. You see, this is so meticulously framed. You see, sometimes very, very casual shot. So I don't think I can say anything about this picture. This is black and white. I really like it in black and white because you have a lot of these designs that you can see here, which really shows up very well in black and white. Also, this has been very perfectly framed. So I would try to get it right in the camera. Okay, so in the camera itself, I'll get it, try to get it right. But a lot of times it is not possible. So you can do this in post-processing. You can use this transform tools, and you can actually, you know, align the verticals. Very nice. Okay, I like it when you're doing it with a frame. Okay, so I really like it with this frame. Very nice. And I also like this one Sarachi here. Okay, so it also human elements always add a lot of value to pictures. Okay, so human elements always add a lot of value to pictures. Okay, so very nice picture. So this makes the picture look more interesting. You have this this person here. Very good, excellent. Okay, this again makes a very good black and white because you have a lot of lines, and I like the expression of the boy, and very beautifully framed. So your pictures are very good. Yeah, very nice pictures. Okay, even the background is very good. Okay, yeah, beautiful light falling on the person. I also like the textures on this this wood here. I can also see his hands here. There's so many things I can say about this picture, which is good. Okay, so I also like the way the hands are placed. So in a situation like this, you can actually make the person, you know, put your hands like this, which is absolutely okay. Very nice. Very nice picture, sir. Excellent. Okay, we'll move to the next person. Okay, Saket, are you here? Saket?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Okay, you want me to see your Instagram profile? Or
No, go with the Google Drive.
have you named the pictures with your name?
No, I didn't.
It may be difficult to find the pictures. Rakesh.
Yes.
Okay, you have named the pictures. Oh, good. Okay, this is nice. But if possible, if you can wait for a bird or something, I don't know if that is possible. I can see a nest here. You can see a nest, which is really good. But maybe if I can wait for some time, get a bird also in the picture, it will make it even more interesting. But yeah, nice. I can barely see anything in this picture, Sakesh. See, you have reduced the brightness so less that barely anything is visible. So that is the thing. So I would like to see more. That is the. This is nice. Okay, the way you have very nice. Okay, but looks little overrated. Okay, so the background and everything. So, but yeah, I see this part is nicely done. Okay, you can see all the textures. So, but yeah, the sky looks little overdone. Okay, but I like the composition. The composition is really good. You got a little bit of the reflection as well, which is very good. Okay. So, is this the closest you could go with your camera, Sakesh?
I took with mobile, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. So, is it the closest that you could go, or you could go closer?
If I go closer, I mean the object is not at focus, sir.
Okay, okay. So yeah, so it will differ from lens to lens. It will differ from mobile to mobile. But if I have this picture, then maybe I will just crop it like this. You see, the moment I crop it, I can see so much of amazing details here. Okay, can you see? I can see so much of details here in the picture. So I would crop it like this. Okay, I'll just crop it like this and share it. And because you are sharing it on Instagram, it is absolutely. You see, this picture looks so much better. I can see so much more details. Okay, so you can just try to go as close as possible with your mobile, and then you can crop it. And because the mobile phones also have good resolution, so okay, this is nice. Okay, just but looks little maybe little overdone in terms of rating, but yeah, otherwise a nice picture. And I like the way you have put so much of effort. So you see, guys, you have to put in some effort. I like the way Sakesh has sprinkled some water on this, and he had put it on a a reflective place where you can see the reflection also. It's very nice. You see, this is, I can say that this is not a casual shot, and it is not about whether you are able to take a good picture or not. It is just about putting effort. So here I can see Sakesh has really put in some effort while taking the picture. Well done, Sakesh. Very good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Do you have any questions?
I would like to know about the pro modes in mobile, sir.
Okay, so there are these pro mode. You see, there are a lot of things you can do with pro mode actually. Okay, so you have aperture, shutter, but yeah, at least if you can shoot in the raw file format, you can do a lot. I'm doing a course on mobile photography, Sakesh. If you want, you can join for that course. I anyways tell about it in the last, but yeah, that will be really helpful for you. So so some of these pictures, yeah, Ali and yeah, so I see the framing is not good, so it will help you, understand your pictures. I mean, understand how you can take better pictures. So you might like to join for that course. I'm going to share the link in some time, maybe in between. Okay, just stay back, Sakesh, because you will learn a lot from other people's pictures also. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Okay, Vinita, are you here?
Hi. Yeah.
Okay. So you want me to open the drive?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Okay, Vinita.
Yeah.
The picture is little oversaturated. What do you think?
Yeah, I do agree with it.
So we are
yeah.
we are all very emotional people. I have this problem. So thoda aur karke na.
Right.
So so you have to, it is very important to know where to stop.
Correct.
It's very, very important. So otherwise, I like the framing. I like you have put this tree and you have this road here, and then you have the buildings and the mountain. So in terms of framing, it's very good. Maybe I would just wait for a person to be here. But very nice picture. You just have to, constrain to the amount of thing that you put in your pictures. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. This is very nice. You see, you have again over process, but otherwise very nice frame. You see, even in this randomness, you can still make pictures very interesting, and this is a very, very good example. Okay, so you have this different trees here, and then you have this houses. So even the houses look so. Even though this might look very ugly to the eye, but in this, it looks so very interesting to me. Okay, because crop this picture very nicely. So you have a very nice artistic eye, but just you have to,
control myself for
control. Yeah.
thing.
So yes. So you have to control yourself. That's what I will say.
Absolutely. That's breakfast.
So this picture also looks little oversaturated to me.
Yeah.
And, unless you have a reason to. Okay, so I would like to see the contents of this. This blue is little distracting to me. I mean, unless they reason to have this packet here, I would really love to see the contents. Maybe you can just take out some contents and put it here. Or is it already here?
It's there in the bowls.
Okay. So if I'm doing a product shoot for this company, then probably I will just keep it here. Otherwise, this is little this cover is little distracting and out of place for me. What do you think?
Okay. I think so too. Yeah, that is true.
It is taking away the attention.
It is. I just wanted to see. Yeah.
So some colors are very, very attractive to the eye. Okay, so definitely it attracts me a lot, and especially these blue or some other colors. So
yeah.
But this is definitely not the hero of the picture. The hero of this picture is I can see a lot of the contents here. So
right.
If I just crop it like this, so we'll start looking a little bit. But yeah, you have to avoid that thing.
I wanted to ask you, it's the same for the same. I had a question for you. Do you see the reflection of the tiles on the floor, of the kitchen tiles on the floor? See, it's the same photo.
Yeah.
On the right of the pineapple, you see if there's a reflection falling on the kitchen top.
Right.
So is that distractive, or is it okay to have that?
This reflection of the pineapple you are saying?
On the right of the pineapple, the empty triangle, where you're.
Okay, I like it. I like the textures. I like it.
That's okay?
Yeah, absolutely. Very nice.
Okay.
Oh, beautifully lit. Wow, lovely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is also very over processed, but I'm happy you like it.
Yeah. So you see there's no distraction in the background, and you have some beautiful light, and I can see all the textures here. So very nice. And I like the way you have placed it. Lighting really makes it. But yeah, maybe little over processed.
Very over processed actually.
Yeah, but very nice. Good.
There's one more.
So you remember this is one rule that everybody should follow. It works all the time without any exceptions. So wherever your eyes are going to first, be in focus. Okay, now my eyes are going to this leaf here, and that is not in focus, so it is a little disappointing to me. Okay, so maybe you can, if you have this part in focus, it will definitely make a much better picture. If this is not in focus, do you see the leaf at the bottom or the leaf in the background? If they are not in focus, there's absolutely okay, there is no problem. But
the spiral twig that you see, that was the spiral that you see.
Yeah, that is your subject, is it? Then you can move closer. I'm sure your phone will allow you to move closer and take a picture. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to, and sometimes you can move, if possible, you can move that spiral and take the picture.
Got it. Okay.
So this is a little distracting to me. Okay. So I would do this in the camera itself. Okay. So let me show you. See?
Yeah.
Looking so much better. We're just about, so this is one common thing that we are finding in a lot of these pictures. So we have to get closer.
Right.
Thank you. You had some great pictures.
Thank you.
Okay. So Sayan, are you here?
Yes, I am here, sort of. Can you hear me?
Yes. So do you want me to open your Google Drive?
Yes, go to the Google Drive.
Okay. Great. So where are you right now? Where are you right now? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Where are you right now?
Yeah, I'm in Kolkata in my home.
You're in Kolkata. Okay. So these are all pictures taken from DSLR, is it?
Yes.
Okay. This needs some proper editing. You see.
Okay.
Yeah. If you can increase. There's something called clarity. If you use light,
okay.
Increase the, not clarity. Dehaze. If you increase the dehaze, the sky will start looking much more dramatic. Also,
hello.
Yeah. Also, you can increase.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Can you hear me? Okay. You can also use a graduated filter. Okay.
Okay.
Graduated filter.
Actually, I lost you sort of a bit. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. Your network is not proper. Yeah.
Okay.
You can use a graduated filter for this part of the frame for the top
of
the frame. This picture will start looking so much better when you are doing it. So
okay.
Very, very dramatic when you're using a graduated filter. Okay. So if you want, I can quickly open Lightroom and show it to you.
Okay.
You have the raw file format picture, right?
Yes. I do have the raw file format.
So this picture will start looking so much better if you are. So first I'll use the. So if you are serious, you have to do it properly. You have to cook your food. You see now you see there's much of. Okay, and then I'm going to increase the brightness a little bit. And then I'm going to use this. Okay, now you see this is definitely not acceptable. You have to know where to stop. So
yes.
Somewhere here, you see it starts looking so much better. Maybe increasing the shadows a little bit. So this is a JPEG file. That's why the results are not that great, but it work much better when you have a raw file. Okay.
Okay.
Try. So when you are giving your pictures, just you have to, before you serve to anybody, you have to serve it, cook it properly before you. This is like uncooked rice you are giving me to eat. Okay, this is nice. This will make a very nice black and white. I like this.
Yeah.
And yeah, probably with a person it will look even more better.
Actually, there's a no entry zone there.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, so I didn't know that, but yeah, so it was very easy for me to say. But yeah, definitely black and white will make it look.
Okay.
Okay, this is nice. We have a flying shot and perfectly in focus. Very good. Little oversaturated, little bit on the higher side. But yeah, this is nice.
Okay.
Oh, this is very good. Very nice. Beautiful. So you have these two, one person going, putting his head down, and the person shot at the right moment. And this is a perfect composition. I don't think I can say anything about this. Okay. Very well done.
Thank you.
Good. Very good. Okay. All right. So, Dr. Nathan, are you here?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay. Have you renamed your files?
Please review my Google pictures and a small glance at my Instagram profile. Sir.
Okay, great. We'll do that. So we'll start with your Instagram first. So see, this is you see, even if I'm not seeing the pictures from this, I can make out what the person is. Okay, so you guys see this. Okay, you see. He's a surgeon by profession. He's a photographer by passion. Okay, and he does landscape, travel, street photography. So if I'm interested in any of these things, I am definitely going to go down and see his pictures. Okay, so this is a proper way of doing it. Okay, and he has his website also there. So yeah, if somebody is interested, he can check out his website. Okay, so this is a proper way of doing it. Okay, and then you have the pictures. So as I was telling you, yeah, so you see you have put carousel engages people more than just pictures. Yeah, so if you can do that, that would be really good. Okay, so this is a very nice moment being captured, very nice. So the only thing I can suggest is you just go little down. Okay, so you're standing and taking the picture, you just have to move little down so that you can get to see a little more of what is around. Okay. Yes. What I really like is, this place is sometimes quite crowded, but you see you have without any distraction, without any people, and just the perfect moment. You see, this is what makes a great picture, guys. Just see this. Okay, you see how these two girls are having fun, and water is coming out. Very nice, beautiful.
Thank you.
And what else? You see, he has a nice caption also. Candid capture of Kashmiri girls playing. And okay, and you have put in some good hashtags which will show up your increase the discoverability of your picture. So very nice. You have the Minar and the Chand also there. Very nice. Okay, so you see they are all pictures and no selfies, nothing. So I like it. Okay. Very nice, very beautifully framed. I like these two people sitting there, and then you have these colorful windows here. The only thing I would suggest you, sir, is when you there is this tool in Lightroom using which you can straighten. So you see this building does not look straight. You see this lines, these verticals have to be straight, and
Yes.
here they are not straight. So in Lightroom there is a tool using which you can straighten them.
Yes. Yes.
I hope you are aware of that tool, right?
Yes.
So you can transform tool. You have the transform tool using which you can straighten this picture.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Beautiful light. You see, you have to understand the play of light and shadows. You see, light is falling here, light is not falling here. Okay, and you have, these people. This is a very nice picture, and I like this intimate moment. You see the eye contact between the person and the lady and the boy, and it looks like she's almost sitting on that. So very funny. So very nice, beautiful picture.
Thank you.
Yeah, very nice. So whenever you go to places, you just have to look for this play of light and shadows, and obviously mornings and evenings are the good times. So very nice. Okay, you have this building in the background, and you have this couple standing in the foreground. Very nice. Looks little oversaturated to me though.
Yes, sir.
Little oversaturated. I don't know. I mean, are these taken with a phone or with a DSLR?
This is with the Canon DSLRs.
Okay. So looks little over sharpened. I mean, some of the quality of the picture does not look that great. I don't know, for some reason. Have you cropped them too much?
Yeah, I had taken them from a distance and tried to crop the picture.
Okay. Or maybe. So you can either use a telephoto lens or you can get closer, take pictures. I know outside India it is very difficult to take pictures like this. People sometimes get offended, but yeah.
This is a highly cropped photo, so I wanted
I can make out. Yeah. Okay. So in Europe, okay, this is in Kashmir. So yeah, even in Kashmir, the sky is very overcast. You see, can't help it, but maybe not the right time. So bad luck that you got the sky, because in places in landscape you need beautiful sky. So here that beautiful sky is missing. Of course, I like these things. This lady coming in. So. Oh, this is very nice and very nicely processed also. You have this road here, and then you have this building here, and you have this other building here. You have a dramatic sky as well. So definitely makes it look very interesting. Very good. So you can try making this picture into a black and white. This will definitely look much better.
There is a black and white here in the same picture.
Okay, yeah. You see, this makes it look so much better. Very good. This also looks little oversaturated.
Yes, sir.
So you have to know where to stop.
Control.
Do this mistake a lot of times. I mean, we are all emotional people. So sometimes if I'm not sure, I'll ask somebody. So sometimes some people message me also. So your picture looks little oversaturated. So it happens. Okay. So if there is a reason to have this car.
I just wanted to show that it's a street, sir. She drew it.
Okay, great. So yeah, so this perspective is very important. So yeah, so this person is doing it. I mean, this girl is risking herself because she is doing it on the road, and maybe somebody would just drive the car over that. So yeah, it makes it more dramatic actually. Very nice. This is interesting. Yeah. So here again, if you can try overlapping, that will make it. And you see the way you have composed. You see this big rock is there in the front, which is not adding much value. Okay. I like the composition. So what you can do is you can darken these areas. So the real subject of this picture is this landscape with these people here. So But yeah, maybe the stones also look good. So what you can do is you can use a graduated filter and darken this area a little bit. So till this part. So this corner, you can see this part, you can darken the area. This will start looking much better.
Yes.
Okay, just 1%. So you see this picture, if the purpose is just to take the picture of a person, this is good. But I would always love to have a person, looking that side where I am not able to see the face, but it shows that the person is really appreciating nature or something like that. And you have a very dramatic side. So you see this, you are really lucky to see this kind of a dramatic side. Very good. Okay. So this picture again look little over sharpened or little over.
Very
highly cropped.
Huge distance, highly cropped.
Okay, okay. So you see, there are some things which for Instagram also, I think this is not that great. So try avoiding cropping to that much amount.
Yes.
Try avoiding. Okay. Let us go to your pictures here now. Okay. Okay. So this is interesting. Okay. The only thing I will suggest is I will just crop it a little more. Okay. So this door, you see, other door is cut. I don't want it like this. I would just crop it, the irrelevant part, and make the picture like this. Like this. Okay. So see, this door is fully there, and the other door, the cut door, I have avoided. Okay. And I got little close, so now I can see a lot more details on the face. Okay. So always a nice picture. So you see, a lot of times it is not possible for us to decide these things while taking the picture. You can do it in post-processing also. Okay, this is okay. So this is just a shop, probably in Srinagar or something. So this maybe I'll just wait for some time when I can see the other guy's face as well.
Yeah, I wanted to try that, but it was out of a moving bus on a Kashmir highway.
Okay. Yeah.
Get that picture.
So in that case, I would not, show the picture. Okay. So you'll see, this is where, we have to stop our emotions. So I have hundreds of pictures like this, where it is, not that great. So I will not show it to others, so other people. So
boy's eyes were piercing. So I thought his expression is.
Okay. In that case, yeah, if this guy is the subject of the picture, then let me show you how I'm going to do this. So I'm just going to crop it somewhere like this. Okay, so let me see what this looks. Okay. Do you think it looks any better?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Superb, sir.
So it is just about, so you see, if you don't have a choice when you're doing it that time, but yeah, you can do it later in post. This is very good. This is lovely. You have a lovely background. I absolutely love the background and the expression of his face. You see the expression of his soul. So he's really, you have taken it at the right moment where he's actually, sucking it in. So yeah. Very nice. Okay. So yeah, with this, I would probably wait for another picture where, he lets the smoke come out.
Yes, but that was a smokeless. He posed it for me. So
is it? Oh, okay. Yeah. So it is okay. Sometimes you can make people pose and take pictures. Like it's absolutely okay.
It's a Kashmiri village where we were the bus was just passing by, okay. And when I put the DSLR out, he posed it for me.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice picture. This.
We have just seen, sir, in the Instagram.
This is nice. Okay, see the way it is looking at, the person is looking at the watches. Very nice. And I like the black and white, the way you did it. Okay. Maybe you can reduce the opacity of your.
Yeah, this was an old picture. So after we had discussions in the group, I abandoned watermarks altogether.
Oh, you can use it. I personally don't use it, and I have never seen big photographers like Raghu or Rai or anybody using it. But yeah. It is a personal choice. But yeah, maybe if you use it, just reduce the opacity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Nice, are you here?
Yes, sir. Hi. Yeah.
Okay. Great. Are you still in your village?
Yeah, sir. I could not come back to Hyderabad yet.
Okay. Hyderabad is bad.
Yeah. And sir, please go through the Insta profile as well once you're done, because pictures are duplicate.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, you have some nice picture. You see, it should be. You see, see Mahesh's profile. How nicely he has also written. He does travel. He does interior. He is an architect, and he has also written his gear. Very nice. He uses a XT3 and a 3300, and he also puts pictures. So you see, this gives me a lot of idea about what I'm going to see. And he's a IT guy. He works with Microsoft. Okay, Hyderabad. So there's a typical travel picture which shows the place. Maybe just wait for a person. And if were you with somebody here, Mahesh?
No, sir. Actually, me and my daughter were there. And
okay, your daughter was there. So you see how Dr. Nitin's picture was so nice. So you can make your girl run through this whole thing, and it will make a very nice picture. So I just I in my pictures you will see my wife in some part of the frame. Always a lot of value. So otherwise, my eyes don't stop anywhere. It is a nice travel picture. I like the way you are framed. Okay, this is good, but people always add a lot of value. Okay, this is a nice picture. You see beautiful light in the village, and I like this tree here in the background. Very nice.
So this was inspired from one of your Gujarat shots, sir. So yeah, sir, you had recently put some village shot and with similar kind of crops. So I went and tried.
Okay. When you're in the village, you should go out and take very nice. Okay, this is also a nice picture. This is some reflection, right?
No, sir. Actually, it is panning between two buildings. One on right hand side we had temple, and on left hand side there was a blue building. And it was a long exposure shot, and I panned across these two buildings.
Okay. It makes it look very interesting. So it makes me think what is going on. Very nice picture. Very, very interesting.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very interesting. Okay, just a word. Not sure about the processing.
Sir, so the colors are sky colors are correct, but I had to bring out the birds because it was not sufficient soon.
Right. So here you see the beauty of this picture is this. Unless, see, if I have a person here, I can show the whole environment that okay, this is I'm staying here in my lockdown, and this is my. So you can have a person here, then this picture looks good. Otherwise, I would just take this part.
Okay.
Just take this part.
Okay, sir.
Okay, something like this. Okay.
Yeah. I said these are the two buildings actually. These two temples and on left hand side building in the previous photo.
Okay. So very nicely framed. You see, and then there is monkey here, and then you can see the background of small buildings in the background. So very nice.
Thanks.
So, sunflower. Okay, you see you have kept it not right in the center, which makes it look good, and I can also see a lot of other flowers in the background. So I like it like this. Very nice. So this was all with your camera, is it?
Yes, sir. This was with previous Nikon old camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
So actually during lockdown, I started taking out the pictures from the archives and learned processing from your videos.
Okay, very good.
That's how I use lockdown.
Okay, great, very good. Okay, yeah, I like this train. You got it with the train, which is I mean, maybe you're lucky, or you maybe waited for a time.
No, sir, I was lucky, and again, this was handhold one. So I just had to run from top to lake.
And you got a very nice reflection. This is a very nice picture, beautiful, and you see these trees here with the reflection. I was actually I was watching a presentation of a person from Singapore. He takes only train pictures, only a narrow gauge train picture. He travels all around India and only narrow gauge train. And for this, he would get down at the station and walk all the way to a place like this to take a picture for the train. So phenomenal.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, we have the Milky Way. Looks little over sharpened, Mahesh, but otherwise nice. Okay, and you see the Milky Way in itself will not make a good picture. You need to have a good foreground as well. Okay.
Yeah.
And so maybe you can include more of the field. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And if you think your lens is not wide enough, you can take 4 or 5 pictures and then take vertical shots and then stitch them all together.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay. And what is your name doing in the fields?
Yes, sir. I made a point of it.
Okay. So it is okay to have watermark, but put it uniformly in one place in all the pictures. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes this is still okay. I have seen people putting their names right on the face. So I mean, then what is the purpose of posting the picture? You can keep it in a very
that's
nice.
True, sir.
So here you see you have a very nice foreground. Beautiful. You have a very nice foreground.
Yeah.
You have the star trails. Beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful.
So these are all in the same Madhya Pradesh village areas actually.
Okay.
In the last 3-4 months.
Good. Very good. You made some good use of your off time. And
yeah.
You see a lot of birds. So this picture makes me feel that I want to go here. The lovely village. You have the temple. You have the birds flying, and the sun is rising up. Very nice. Beautiful.
Thank you.
So you see, it captures the essence of the place. Very nice.
Yeah.
Moon rising. Okay. Great. And I love the way you have framed this. You have this one, and then you have the tree in the background. So this mustard flower is really popping up. Very nice. Very nice architecture shot. You see, this is a perfect architecture shot. You have the vertical straight. You have leading lines, and very nice and very symmetrical. Very nice.
Yeah.
Great. Your pictures are good. Okay, I think I have seen these pictures before. They're very nicely done. Very nicely done. Great. Very nice. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Okay, so Sadri, are you here?
Hi, Saurabh, I am here.
Okay, great. So you want me to open your Google Drive?
Yeah, it was there. SESH, yeah, that one. Yeah, that one.
You have only one picture, is it?
Yeah, only one picture.
Okay. So I like the way you framed the picture. You have no unnecessary distractions in the picture, and I can see the face really well. So this is nice. I like the expression also, but maybe not the editing. So this picture, is taken with the DSLR, is it, or with the phone?
No, it's a DSLR.
Okay, so then you can process this little better in Lightroom. Okay, so I would like to bring out more details of the eye part. Okay, you see the face looks a little dark, but I love the soft light that you have on the faces. Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, and the vignetting is little too much to my taste, I guess. Okay. So
no, I did nothing. It's like
you did nothing. Okay, great. So
no, basically I lit the background and.
Okay, very nice. Okay, in that case, it is very good. Okay. So it is all done in the.
Yeah, it's mostly basically
very good.
I mostly done on the camera itself.
Okay, very good.
3 lights.
Okay, excellent then. Excellent. Okay, so
I need to
like
bring
to do is,
bit. If I seeing now, I'm feeling the eyes are little dull.
Yeah, so you see, if you want me to show you, the picture will start looking so much better when you do it in just 1 second, and the picture will start looking so much better. Okay. Yeah, I'm just Lightroom. Okay. I use, what software do you use for processing your pictures?
No, I do basically Photoshop, but I didn't. Yeah, no. I got once you told me about the light, I didn't touch anything.
Just a tiny bit, you see.
Yeah.
This is little.
No, mostly my work editing is I did this thing because the cheek is bit overexposed.
No, that is
fine. No, I get
But the eyes, you see,
yeah, they are dull. I got the point. They are dull.
Yeah. So if you see for some inspiration, you can see this.
Yeah, Steve McCurry. Yeah, that Afghan girl. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Not only the Afghan girl. You see all these pictures. You see how he has processed the eyes. You see how the eyes are popping up. You see.
Yeah. Okay. No, I need to basically. I need to do bit sharpening on the
yes, yeah, you have to do a little bit of sharpening. So
sharpening also.
Yeah. Okay, so
I have a doubt on that.
Yes.
No, it's like is up. No. In the image, if you see on her left, I left it bit dark on the shoulder. If you see the left on the shoulder, it's bit dark.
Yeah.
Is that fine or?
That is fine. That is fine. That is not a problem because she is not wearing a very elaborate dress, so maybe she would be happy. So sometimes ladies, they want to show their dress also, but here maybe she is wearing a very casual t-shirt, so it is okay. It's just for the face. So the face has to be properly lit, and the other thing is that's all.
Yeah. If you don't mind, can you just check? No, it's check the Insta. No, I didn't put anything. I left it like that. Yeah, mostly I do the dance, cover the dance programs. I have interest in dance, covering that.
Okay. This is very nice. I like the way you have got the shadow also. Very nice.
No. It's that one. But I couldn't. It's like
what lens are you using here? What lens?
This is 200 f2.8.
Okay. Yeah, that lens is good for. But if you can, if possible, try to get access and get closer if possible.
No, yeah, that is that I usually like to do these things in a bit. If there is one more shot, this is 130. No. Can you go to the last one? About top one. That one, no. Yeah, you go. Can you scroll down if you don't mind? No, not this. This is 135 mm normal one. Because for Ravindra Bharati, this one only.
This one?
Yeah, that one. There is one more shot. Can you click the arrow? Yeah. No, I like the shot to be a bit wide to show the screen. It's like I can crop the image only showing her, but I want.
This is very nice. No, this is very good. This is done very nicely. This is very good. Okay, but this will also make a. If you want to really show the details.
No, I need to. Yeah, at that time I couldn't do much in. It's just. It's 90% from the camera, but I need to do more.
You can do a vertical crop also here. You can just do a vertical crop also. That will also make a.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks, Saurabh.
Hope all is well.
Yeah, everything fine.
Yeah, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So you have your pictures.
In Drive.
Okay, so now I don't like about this picture is here you can see a human element. So you see, if you just avoid that, it makes me feel that I'm in wilderness. Okay, so for example, I just have it like this. Okay, but yeah, I can still see. So you have to frame it a little more carefully. Okay, so I know how difficult it is to shoot butterflies. It is very easy for me to give all this bhashan, but I know how difficult it is to shoot butterflies. So glad you got this picture. But yeah, maybe you just have to stick around. And the best time, what is the best time to shoot butterflies?
Morning.
Morning, yes. Morning is the time they are very lazy because they have all these water droplets condensed on them. So they can't really fly a lot. So early morning is the best time to shoot them. Yeah.
Okay.
And you see, this is this other element is little distracting. So I want to see the butterfly fully, with an unobstructed view of the butterfly. Okay, so so maybe this is a little distracting to me, but yeah, otherwise I'm glad you got this. And next time try to see the background as well. Whenever you're taking pictures, try to see the background.
Yeah.
Okay, they are all taken with a phone or camera.
They are with the phone.
Okay, this is very nice, and I'm glad you made this into black and white. Okay, so you see, this is a building with a beautiful architecture. So
yeah,
okay, that's good. Very nice. So
I wanted to do some product photography type, so I selected this.
Okay, yes. This is nice. You have a non-distracting background. This is very good. So, okay, just a cover of a book.
No, actually, I want to put these pictures, photographs of the books on the website as a reference material. So that's why this is clicked. So I just wanted your views on that. In the
nice.
next one, I am getting some shadow. So how to
Okay,
avoid that?
No, you can crop it. Huh? You don't need the full book. You can just have it like this.
Okay.
Why do you need the full book? You just need the. I mean, do you really need to show the?
No. Yeah, I can
then,
crop. Yeah.
Then you can have it like this, right? You see all the.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Just some books will be reflective. You see, there is some little bit of reflection here. It may be from your hand or from maybe if you are wearing a bright dress, then maybe it will be from your. So that you can try to avoid it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, really. Okay. Great. Thank you, Neha.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Aparna, are you here?
Yes, I'm here, Saurabh.
So, are your pictures in the drive?
Only in the drive, yeah.
Okay. This is very nice. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Very nice. And I like the black and white. Okay, that really brings out the pictures. Okay. So,
this is not mine, Saurabh. I think this is another one.
So yeah, black and white really brings out a lot of these details.
Yeah, thank you.
Just have the stairs that are there. And you can see a nice background. So all these pictures definitely look better in black and white. So yeah, this is nice. You have these colors and you see a lot of these lines that are converging. Very nice. Very good. So again, very good play of light and shadows. So I can see this light falling from here. That makes it look very interesting. Very nice. So see, once you know how to play with light, you can make ordinary pictures transform to something very interesting.
That I've learned from you, actually.
Great. Thank you, Aparna.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Ashok sir, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay. So are your pictures in you have it
Insta.
Okay. Okay, this is nicely done. Beautiful picture. So you see, this is taken at night, but yeah, if you can shoot this in a blue hour, it will look much better. This is already a very nice picture, but yeah, if you can go to the same place during the blue hour.
In fact, I have got a blue hour picture, but I didn't post it because it is a sequence of all night pictures. All 10 of these are in night.
So these places will look very, very good in blue hour. But so you have to choose the most important building, and that is what you have to shoot in the blue hour. Because if you have one evening to take these pictures, it has to be the most important building.
Okay.
Okay. Very nice. The carousel really makes it look interesting. Very nice.
Thank you.
That is whole. They are old pictures, is it?
Sorry?
They are old pictures.
Yeah. Last time when I went to the US, 3 years back.
Okay. So I like it. This old, very contrasty old engine and this modern car. Nice. And you have some lines. Very nice. Okay. Some lovely textures. Very good play of light and shadows.
Saurav, especially for such pictures like this, the sky is getting overcast, not this, the next one, which you have seen just now. So when I am trying to do dehaze, which I learned from you in the Lightroom, the sky is getting highly illuminated with the blue. It is capturing the eye.
Yeah, so you have to know where to stop. Okay, so just do a tiny bit, not too much that, it starts looking very artificial. Or you can use it with a graduated filter.
Yeah, I'll try with that. Thank you.
Yeah, so if you want to do it selectively, use a graduated filter. It will make it look much better. Okay, now this is very nice. You have very good layout shadows. Okay, without shadows, these pictures will look very flat.
I see.
So beautiful light. We have some really beautiful light here. Very good. So you can make people do this, and it can make a very, so obviously this is, you have, directed this whole thing, but it still looks very good. Sometimes you have to be creative. You have to take things under your control and do it. Very nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
So even if you're going on a family vacation or any place, you can make some really interesting pictures if you do like this. So nice. Nice. We have this. It looks a little underexposed for some reason.
In fact, it was having a harsh light right and 8 o'clock in the morning in Varanasi. I don't know. I got this silhouette picture of the same.
Okay, guys, some of you have already left. Okay. Guys, I would appreciate if I'm just sharing one link with you. If you can just spend 2 minutes and just give me a review here, I'll be glad. Okay, I'm just posting the link in the chat. Okay, so if some people have already reviewed before, but yeah, if you can do this for me, I'll be put the link in the chat box. Okay, so it will just take a minute. Okay, just go there and just write. You just give me a star rating and then just, how the session was helpful or whatever. You can just open the link and just type in a few lines. I'll be very happy. Okay, let us continue with this. But yeah, before you go, please do this, and it will really help me.
Sir, any suggestions for astrophotography, sir?
Suggestions? What kind of suggestions? You have to go out and take pictures. So that's the suggestion. You see, Mahesh during the lockdown.
Sir, not like that. For night shots, sir, like Milky Way, Galaxy,
I will share the video. Trails. Okay, I will share the video of how I have taken those pictures. I have also written some articles. I will share the links.
Sure, sir.
So. I'm just sharing this link here. So I have written an article on astrophotography. So this has a lot of, I have written in detail, and of course I have so you can read this. Okay, I'll send you the link later. Right?
Yeah, sure.
Great. Okay, this I really like this picture. You see, you can.
Thank you.
Okay, this is nice. You just have the silhouette. You have something here. Very nice. Okay.
It's a 80 feet Buddha statue. I just took the face.
Okay, and I'm glad I can see a pigeon.
Yeah.
So that really brings out.
Yeah, tallest Buddha it seems in India. Tallest Buddha.
Okay, where is this?
It's in Sarnath, Thai temple.
Okay. Nice. Okay, nice. Great. Good. They're very, very, I mean, nothing creative. Yeah, this is very good. You have very good play of light and shadows in this picture. So looks very good.
Thank you.
Great. So great. It was great to see all the reviews of this picture. Anybody else who's
Thank you, Saurabh.
Yeah, you're welcome. And guys, before you go, I just share the link. If you can just spend a minute and you can. Okay, Dheeraj, you are here. Okay, so you can unmute yourself. I'll see your pictures. Yeah, but in the meantime, you can just before you go, guys, please click on this link and give me a review. I'll be very happy.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, Dheeraj, let me. Okay, I'm going to share. Okay, so Dheeraj, you have. Okay, so yeah, so this is nice. You have all these travel pictures mostly, and you see. So he also has he has put his age and where he's studying, and he has worked for some good brands. So it's good to see. So yeah, if you have, then it's good to mention here. So that really, and if you have a website or something, maybe you can mention it here as well. Okay. So very nice. Okay. So these are the nice pictures, but if you can get them at the during the morning time, this is actually a nice picture. I like it with this pose here. Very nice. Yeah, these kind of pictures, if you can get them early in the morning, they will be really good. Okay, so early morning light, early morning or evening time, the light. So here the light is pretty flat. So
yes, sir. These were shot in afternoon.
Afternoon, yeah, you can make out. So that's why it is not that dramatic. So you can make out very easily from these pictures. So, but I don't know how possible it is to go there in the morning or in the evening. So these are taken with phone or camera?
Camera, sir. Canon 1300D.
So here you see you have these poles here. Maybe if you can change the angle a little bit, Dheeraj, that will be a little better. You see, if you just change the angle, or maybe there are too many people in the frame, so maybe I will show you. If I have this picture, I will just crop it like this. You see, I'm able to see a lot more details of these people. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
All the distractions are gone. The pole is gone, so it makes it look much more better.
Okay.
So here also there is some unnecessary space here. So I'm just going to. You see, these people are. If you want to include these people, are okay. But you see, this part is not adding any value. So I'm going to just crop it like this. Okay. You see, the picture starts looking so much better. Okay. Do you get my point?
Okay, sir. Got your point.
Yeah. This is good. Okay. Sound regular. But yeah, this statue will always look good if you have a person here. Without the person, I would. This is because it is such a, I mean, lovely structure. You might have seen a lot of pictures with people. Okay, so
yes, sir.
You have to have a person here. Okay, and if there's were you there with a friend or somebody?
No, sir. I went alone.
Okay, maybe you can just ask somebody, maybe a stranger, to go and stand there or somewhere, gazing at the statue. It will make it look much better.
Yes, sir. I should have done that.
So here again, you see this. You have to get closer. You see, this man is half cut. Okay, maybe I will avoid that man and then take a picture like this. Maybe just this part. Okay, or if you want to include this part, but the hand is cut. Okay, don't cut hands. Hands are. This is very good. This picture below, this is very good. You see, no distractions, and except only this person is half cut. I would just avoid it. So you have to do these things in post processing. So avoiding this other lady also. So maybe I will just crop it like this.
Okay, sir.
See, all the distractions are gone. This lady in the two.
Yes, sir.
You see, suddenly it starts looking so much better. Okay. Okay, so I like the way you have taken this picture from the bottom. You have this part also here and the statue also. Very nice. Beautiful. So this foggy sky gives a very different, makes it look so beautiful. And then the roads that are leading up to heaven or place. Very nice. Okay. This is a very nice picture. You see how dramatic and no distractions. You went really close. You see there's no distraction, so it makes it look really, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
So this picture also you can crop it, but you see this thing is little distracting unless there is a reason for you to have this thing. Okay. So and the background also you can decide whether you want to. I mean, what is your purpose of having this? Okay. So and this part is little distracting to me. So I will just crop it like this. I like the. I mean, I like the way you have given sense to the place, but maybe I will crop it like this. See that ugly. This thing is gone.
Okay, sir. Got it.
This is very nice. Okay, so this guy is peeping out of this thing. This is beautiful. Very nice. So very nice light falling on that lady, and you have this beautiful. And you see she is at the right place. If this lady is somewhere here near the window, maybe it would not look that great. But you see in this space, it actually looks very good. Very nice. Okay, great. These are nice pictures. We have some really good pictures. Okay.
Thank you.
This is a lovely place, City Valley Church. You can. I mean, this. I want to go there for doing some astrophotography.
But now there's one movie shooting going on, sir. I think it is finished. Some Malayalam movie shooting was going on.
Okay. So this is also beautiful. Very nice. Like beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
We have some good pictures. Very good. Great.
Thank you.
You came in late, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So good. So thank you so much for joining me. We overshot it good, but I hope you learned something. Okay, guys, I am going to share the link once again. So if you think it helped, just go to this link and just write a review for me. It will really help me. Okay, I'm just posting the link once again. And I'm doing a class on mobile photography. Okay, so we all shoot with our mobile phones at some point of time, right? That's the device that we have with us all the time. And I was totally against mobile phone photography. People, a lot of people know me that I don't like people taking pictures with mobile if you have a DSLR with you. But yeah, that's a camera that you have with you all the time. So I'm doing a course starting 24th. And so if you want to join, you can enroll for that course. You will definitely learn something. So it's a 5-day course from Monday to Friday, and 24th to 28th from 6:30 to 7. Some of you have already done this course. I think some of the participants are already here. So I'm going to share the link of that course also here. So if you are interested, you can join. So the course is just rupees 499, and I'm sure you will be able to take better pictures once you do it. No matter whatever your skill level is, you will definitely learn something from it. And thank you so much. If you want to say something, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask me. You can unmute yourself and ask me any question, and maybe I can wait for some more time to take your questions before we end the session. Any questions that you have? Anybody?
Saurabh, hi, this is Shruti here.
Hi, Shruti.
Saurabh, I written to you about also this Flickr and is that 500 pixel? How do those work? Like, because I think Instagram we are all familiar with, but if you could share, maybe if not today, maybe at some point.
Okay, I can just spend some time. Flickr was the social media for quite some time. So much before Facebook existed. I've been a Flickr user since 2005, I think 2004. And you really enjoy seeing the pictures because the pictures are all much better resolution, not compressed like Facebook. And that was the social media which we grew, which we learned a lot from. I used to follow a lot of photographers and got connected to a lot of. In fact, that was my first social media with respect to photography. And let me share my screen. Yeah. So basically, you can just create an account and log in, and but you see, in terms of engagement, we have much better. Facebook and Instagram is much better. And I'm telling you a secret. Before I go to a place, I would just search the pictures in Flickr, because I will definitely find some really. This is a now that everybody is a photographer, and I mean, you will see a lot of, even Flickr has a lot of pictures from the mobile phones. So here, one thing because a lot of people ask me what camera to buy, I just go to the camera finder. Okay, so it tells me the different cameras that have been used in the community, and no wonder you see most of the cameras are Apple is leading beyond any DSLR or anything. Okay, that is one really good thing you see here. Okay, so that is one thing. So, and if I'm just searching for India, I can see some really nice pictures. So nowadays, I don't know, even I don't upload a lot of pictures in Flickr, but I have more than 10,000 pictures of mine here in Flickr. So, and the good thing about Flickr is you can see the EXIF information. So if I want to see what time this picture has been taken, so I can see the camera, what lens has been used, what settings have been used here. And if I go further down, okay, so this person has decided not to share the information. But for a lot of pictures, you will actually be able to see what time the picture has been taken. Okay, so suppose I want to see what time this picture has been taken. So it has been taken with a Sony 6300. And if I go to show EXIF information, I can see a lot more details. You see, it has been taken at, okay, maybe the time is not right. Okay, but this actually gives me a lot of information about, okay, so this is how Flickr is. Okay, so not as engaging as Facebook or Instagram, but I really do a good research in Flickr before I go to any place. Okay.
So Saurabh, sorry to disturb you, but I suggested your Flickr page for many of my friends when we are touring around many places now in Telangana.
Okay.
No, it's like I still, whenever I want to show anyone says we are going to Kannur, I say check your Yagantip images.
Okay.
So those are all, yeah. I say in the group also, many of your galleries in Flickr, it's like they are reference pictures to me.
Oh, great. See, one thing, yeah.
Yeah, and the good part is whatever you told, and the good part with your images is you put everything there. It's like focal length and what time you took and everything.
I don't hide that information. And one thing is, you see, they're very well organized in terms of albums. So if you want to see my pictures from Pandharpur, maybe you just go here and you will be able to see all the pictures. Okay. So you can also see the time and the date. So if you want to see what time and date this picture has been taken, you can just go to show EXIF. So everything is here. What camera I used, what focal length, so everything is here. And they are very. So suppose I want to share an album of pictures. This is what I do. Any publisher asks for any picture of a particular place, I will just share this link. Say this is one picture of my Hyderabad collection. So maybe a magazine wants picture from Hyderabad. So I'll just share this link with the person, and maybe you can just choose. And this is no nonsense, just the pictures, nothing at all. It's just pictures and very high resolution. I mean, you can have high resolution picture, but these are uncompressed. So you can see you can really enjoy the pictures, not like Facebook, which degrades the quality of the pictures. So you see, so this is, I absolutely love Flickr. And there is I think there's a paid plan. I have been a paid Flickr user since 2005, the time I was using. So they have a free plan. I think the limit is very bad for a free plan. I think only 100 or something like that. But yeah, so I have a lot of pictures in Flickr. You see, I have 29,000. Even I was not aware. So 29,000 pictures here. So So that's really a lot. But you see, I mean, all very well organized. If you just go to, you can see pictures from every place here. Okay, so you can see it very well organized. So only pictures. If I just share this link, you will pretty much be able to see all my pictures at one place. And this is also now they are getting paid. They are giving better services also. So you can actually store high resolution pictures. You can use it as a backup of your pictures. So that also you can do. So you can just, there is a Flickr app also. I don't have that app installed right now. So I can just upload all my high resolution pictures here. That will be accessible only to me. Okay, so and I can download them and use them whenever I want to. Okay, so that is another thing. So you can use it as a cloud storage also. So that is about Flickr. So I really love. You can see. Okay, I joined in 2006. You can see here. Okay, so I hope that explains, Shruti.
Yeah, Saurabh, thanks. Thank you. The other thing was that, like say for our work website, Instagram, if we want to add images apart from our work photographs, and we need other images that maybe we've not clicked or we don't have.
Okay.
What is the protocol on using other people's images? Where can you get images, and does one just credit, and is that enough?
Okay. So are you using it for commercial purpose?
What do you mean by commercial purpose?
Commercial means you are using it in a website, and the website is of your company, and you are,
not on a website, on an Instagram page, which is of my company.
Okay. So generally in Instagram, people have taken it for granted that you can just take any person's picture and then you just give a credit. But a lot of people, especially very reputed companies, they generally send me an Instagram, a DM, and ask me if they can use my pictures with, of course, with credit. So that's the protocol. That's a more formal protocol. I would suggest you to do that if you are doing it. But otherwise, you can just, I mean, nowadays most people just take anybody's picture and just share it like this. But yeah, but if you are doing it for a company, your reputation is at stake. So it is better to ask people. So it does not harm to ask. And generally people will not say no because their pictures are already online. So I mean, for Instagram, it is absolutely okay. And I also don't mind sharing my pictures, and people share my pictures. So it gives me another level of, another exposure also. So that is absolutely okay. But
okay.
When it is about printing pictures for commercial purposes, maybe somebody wants to print one of my picture and put it in their walls, or maybe a magazine wants to publish my picture, then I have to charge for it. Okay. But again, yeah, if it's for a cause, then I don't mind giving my pictures for free. But yeah, if it's for a commercial purpose, then probably I have to charge something. So that's how it works.
Okay, thank you, Saurabh. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, guys, great. Thank you so much for joining me today evening, and I hope you enjoyed the session. You learned something from it, and I'll see you again. So we are going to keep doing these sessions quite frequently. Probably every weekend I'm going to have this session, and so you can join in. You can tell your friends in this session. Anybody can join, so you can just join in. And yeah, before you leave, or maybe after you leave, just give me a rating here. That would be very helpful. And thanks to people who have already done it. I'm grateful to you. Okay. So thank you once again, and I'll see you sometime again.
Thanks, Saurabh.
Yeah, thank you.